this video, I will be showing you how to set your YouTube full screen settings. First, you need to go to Google Play Store, search YouTube, and all you need to do is to tap the word update. Wait as it is installing. It's very important to update applications because if you're not updating it, some features may not be available. Once done, open your YouTube channel, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, and then scroll down and look for settings. Now click General. Once you click this one, scroll down and kindly toggle on the zoom to full screen. Go back and click Video Quality Preferences. Once you click this one, click Higher Picture Quality. And then once done, you can go back and watch any random video on YouTube. For example, I am going to watch this one here. Click the video and click the square icon. So this is what it looks like. You are watching the video on a full screen mode. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video.